Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, June the 12th. Yes, June the 12th, 2021. And here in this newspaper, we have two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku with medium and a quintuplet. Big five Sudokus merged into a whole one. Yeah, it's a quintuplet, and I've told you earlier I hate quintuplets, so I won't do them because I need for those puzzles more than an hour to solve. So only one regular Sudoku, medium Sudoku. I will start with this one, and I have not seen the newspaper, the following pages, so I believe there's also an additional. And but first we will solve this baby. The practice continues. Yes, and this one will be number 29. Yes, 2935. 2935. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Oh, wait. Yes, the printed digits. Well, this one, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. Yes, 26. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. 2 stars. And for a 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright. So, let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle first. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 8 is missing. And look, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. We have 8 there, no 8 there. So 9 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Okay, so 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. Alright. Alright, 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. Okay. Okay. How about the 4 in this column, 4 in the second column? So in the third column, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers. Wait, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. Here 7, no 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here or could be there. Alright. Now in this row, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 2, the 7, and the 8. 2, 7, and 8. And look, we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 7 there. Here also a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and 8. Alright. So we have a 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then. How about the number? Let me see. The 2 in this first row, the 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 Should be there. 2 in the third column. A 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Or there we see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Two, two, okay. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in that box. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2. Oh, wait. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2 and 8. Now we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 2. The 2 should be there. And 8 goes there. Right. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Now I have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, alright. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2, alright. Alright. Let me see. 4, 8. Yeah. How about four. 1, 5. Let me think. 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. Alright, 1 number left in the last column for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 1. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9 and this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 7 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Then, how about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 6 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. 5 and the 6. 5, 6, 7. Okay. 5, 6, and the 1. Okay. Need to wait. 9. 1. Yeah. 9 and 5. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Okay. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay. Let me see. 7, 7. Yeah. 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 3. How about those 2 boxes in the first column for the numbers 8 and 6? We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 8. How about 6, 5? Yeah. 1, 8. These 3, 2 is missing. No. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 and a 9 in this middle row. So no 7 and 9 in this box. The 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. 7 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Okay. 1 and 8. 8, 2, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Okay. Now we have a 7 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 7. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. 2 boxes left. The 6 and a 5. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row. For the number 6. 1 number left in the middle row. For the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 6. 6 in this row, third row. 6 in the first row, so in the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 and a 7. 1, 7 and a 3. Yes. A 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the third row for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 1 and a 5. No. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. And the final 2 numbers for this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. I like this one. Yes, 12 minutes, and it's supposed to be a 2 stars. So 15 to 20 minutes. I'm very pleased with the time. So yeah, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Sudoku mediums, playlists for the Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. I have also a playlist for the tectonics, for the binaries, for the killer Sudokus, for the heavy Sudokus, for the light Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist therefore, so go to my channel, subscribe, and you'll find them all. Yes, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great weekend, and we will meet again on Monday. Otherwise, we will see you soon with the extra Sudokus in the additional. I hope there will be in the today's, but today's newspaper. I need to check them. See you then. Bye bye for now.